Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we'll take a look at Listly's Extract Part feature. With Extract Part, you can select and extract just the areas you want rather than the whole web page. Today, we'll go over the basics of Extract Part. From here on, we'll assume you've already opened the Listly extension and selected Extract Part. First, let's look at how to extract each product as a single item. Hover your mouse over a product until the entire box is highlighted and click it. Do the same with a second product. When Listly detects a similar pattern between the two, a pop-up appears. Click Group All, and every product with the same structure gets selected at once. Sometimes it's tricky to get the whole box selected. If that's the case, just click part of it and you can expand from there to the whole box. Let me click on this first product and then the same spot on the second one. When the pop-up comes up, make sure Select by Item is on. Then hit Group All. Each product is now selected as one whole item. Once you're done, click Run. Check the results and you'll see that all the data inside each product area has been extracted. Now, let's grab just the data we need instead of the whole product. Say all we want from each product here is the name and the price. Hover over the first product's name. Here, you want just the name highlighted and click it. Then do the same on the second product. When the pop-up appears, turn off Select by Item this time, then click Group All. And just like that, every product name on the page is selected. Now add the price the same way. Once you've got everything you need, hit Run. Take a look at what you've got. Unlike before, it's only the data you picked, all neatly organized. Compare the two result files side by side, and you'll see the difference right away. Sometimes you just want a few specific areas in different parts of the page. In that case, if a pop-up shows up while you're selecting, choose Keep Separate. That way, Listly won't expand your selection to similar areas. It'll only extract the parts you picked yourself. When you select an area, you'll see up and down arrows inside the box. These let you widen your selection to a larger parent area or bring it back down to a smaller one. Let me show you when this comes in handy. Say you need to grab this section here, the one showing the original price and the discount rate. First, select the area showing the original price on the first product. Then select the same area on the second. But this time, no pop-up appears. This is because Listly isn't finding a similar area since the two selections don't match. So let's hit the up arrow on the second selection to expand it. Once the two selections match, Listly recognizes the pattern and shows a pop-up saying similar areas were found. Click Group All, and every price section on the page gets selected at once. So if you can't quite select the area you want, or Listly isn't recognizing similar items, try adjusting your selection with the arrows. You can also choose extraction options for each area you select. For most data, you can leave it on the default setting and extract it as is. But if you need to extract a specific type of data, like a hyperlink, image link, or HTML source, you can choose the option that fits. In the video description, we've linked a help guide that covers each extraction option and how to use it, so check it out whenever you need it. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.